Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Children, I know you might have heard the proverb, no water, no life. So today we'll discuss about the very precious thing in our life, that is water. Okay? Children, you might have seen water, you daily see water. Water is inorganic, tasteless, transparent and colorless. Okay, water is very precious. And World Water Day was established by United Nations in 1993, and the objective of this day to make people aware about the water scarcity and conservation of water. Okay, so let's recall what are the uses of water and the sources of water. Children, as you know, for daily work we need water for making food, for brushing the teeth, for cleaning the floor, and the food we get from plants and animals. Plants and animals also need water. And do you know the clothes we wear, they are made of fabric, and that fabric also need water to be prepared. Okay, and there are many things which we use in our daily life. For producing those things, industries require water. Okay, for example, the paper you use to write, you use to do your work, a single paper require 2 glasses of water to be produced. Okay, so water is very precious for each and everything. Whatever we are doing, we need water. And a person cannot live without water more than 1 week. Okay, without food, a person can live for 2-3 weeks, but without water, a person cannot live more than 1 week. Okay, children, and the sources of water, seas, rivers, lakes, oceans. We get water from seas, rivers, ponds, lakes, and oceans. But the main source of water is rain. Rain is the main source of water, and the water at our home. Where do we get the water from? In the taps. Okay, and that water comes from the network of the pipes. Okay, children, and do you know types of water? There are 2 types of water, salty water and fresh water. As you know, 2/3 part of our earth is covered by water, but only 3% of water is fresh, and that water which people can drink, fit for drinking, that is called potable water. Okay, the water which is fit for drinking, that is called potable water. And 97% of water salty and not fit for drinking. Okay, the seas and oceans have salty water. We cannot drink the water directly from the rivers and seas. Although rivers and ponds do not have salty water, but it is not fit for drinking. Mostly the fresh water present in the form of ice. Okay, children, and I want to tell you one more thing on heating. Water changes into vapor. When there is rain, you might have seen the roads are wet. But after some time, where does the water go? It gets heated and changes into vapor. Okay, now let's study the benefits of water. Children, water forms saliva and mucus. Okay, it regulates the body temperature, it promotes weight loss and flushes body waste. And water is composed of 2 elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, water is composed of 2 elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, children, and now you have come to know the benefits, uses of water, benefits of water. Okay, you have come to know what you have studied today. You have studied that water is very much precious. You have studied the sources of water, types of water, benefits of water. And what you have to do now, children, first I will send a worksheet. You will complete the worksheet and you will have to write a paragraph on the topic imagine a day without water. You will write a small paragraph, imagine a day without water. Okay, how you will start? You will start like one day you got up and you observed that there is no water in the tap, and what you have done on that day, how you managed that day, and what have you learned from all this. Okay, so you will have to write a small paragraph on the topic imagine one day without water. Okay children, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.